I am Zhengzhou Hanyun Engineering Machinery Co., Ltd., a hydraulic breaker manufacturer from China. Our factory has strong production and research strengths, complete hydraulic breaker main body and accessories, and perfect after-sales service. Does your company have cooperation needs for hydraulic breakers? We can OEM, ODM a variety of cooperation methods. The main products are middle cylinder, upper and lower cylinders, flat pins, round pins, inner and outer bushings, long and short bolts, drill rods, pistons, nitrogen filling devices, frequency modulation bolts, laser cups, accumulators, reversing valves, repair kits, nitrogen cylinders, rubber plugs, toolboxes, grease fittings, stop valves, overflow valves, foot valves, large and small arm pipe clamps, hammerhead pipes, pipelines, flanges, internal and external plugs, spare valves, drippers, quick connections device, etc. The company now has an annual production capacity of 5,000 sets of complete hydraulic hammers, 10,000 rods, 3,000 sets of upper and lower cylinders, and 2,000 sets of shields. Hanyun brand hydraulic hammer has the characteristics of stable performance, strong striking force, and high efficiency, and its comprehensive performance is much higher than that of similar products.